Can your bulging disc heal? The answer is yes. Like other tissues in the body that may become injured, like your skin or your muscles, our bodies are designed to heal and repair given the right environment and condition. What I mean by that is there are three essential and crucial things that must be in place for your disc to heal. First, we must take the pressure off the disc itself. Number two, we need to restore the muscles that are responsible for moving the back and disc, restoring proper flexibility and strength. And number three, nutritionally, we need to make sure your body has the right vitamins, minerals, or nutrients to decrease the bad inflammation and then help stimulate the good inflammation, which creates the right environment to heal the tissue. So again, step one, pressure off the nerve and disc. Step two, retrain the muscles that move the disc. And step three, make sure your body has the right vitamins, minerals, or nutrients to heal the bulging disc.